that I don't make this a long introduction, I've been asked by Troojay to think about something that I like, a dessert. They asked me, do you have something specific in mind? It would be great if it would be something traditional, you know, where you're from and things like that. So I'm from Romania. I have no favorite dessert recipe. However, there is one specific thing that I haven't had in years. I think I've had that 5 years ago, last time, or something like that. I figured I should try that one, although I never cooked it. In Romanian, we call it PAPANASI. I think the translation in English would be cheese donut. I'm gonna give it a go. Starting off with the cheese. Cheese, cooperate. Do not forget anything. Next, vanilla extract. Then we're doing the eggs. You need to separate the white from the yolk. Right? I'm good at this. Look at this. The egg whites go to the side for later. And you add a little salt. And then you mix. Bam! First step done. Kaput. Next, we're gonna add some lemon zest here. Well, that's it, because I'm tired. And now you're gonna mix it up again, stir it up a bit. Bam! We're not done. Next, you add the baking powder to the flour. And that's it, you're done. No, you're not done. You're not done. You whisk, you whisk, and you whisk, and you whisk. And after you whisk, you bring back the sweet load. Ideally, it would be to pour a little bit at a time. Bam! I'm tired. Now, you set aside the dough, you bring forward the egg whites, remember those? And you start whisking them until you get sick. Okay, so since I got bored, I decided to use a mixer. So if you have that, I would recommend that to begin with, because you gotta stir this up until it's like a foam-ish kind of composition. So now we're gonna put this on top of this. Foamy. Alright. And now I gotta use my hands, and so do you. So that's the best way to mix this together. So we're gonna start. It might be fun, you know, it's like, you know, what's that called? I don't know, it's not coming to me. but you know what I mean. Like making plates and stuff like that. Or whatever. Yeah. Alright, so if it's too soft, you gotta add 2 more tablespoons of flour. And then start doing it again. Mix it up. Mix it up. Alright, next we're taking this little baby. We're gonna make a big round something. You need to add some oil here on it so that you don't get sticky on this too. And make it as round as possible. Okay? And then you cut this into 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can borrow, because this guy is huge. You can borrow some from here. You can steal a little bit from here. You know? You don't want to make them one huge, one small. And then you're gonna make a hole in the middle of it. Usually you use something, but I don't have that something, so I'm just gonna use my fingers. You know? Since we're playing here, why not? Now, it doesn't have to be in the middle, but you know what I mean. Okay, and then you steal some more from here because this is huge. And you make another little ball. Bam! You take this little guy and you put it on a plate. And you do the same with all of these, right? Okay, so almost done. You need to heat up 4 cups of oil in a large cooking pan. You're gonna have to wait for the oil to get really hot. You're gonna keep it to medium heat, and then we're ready to put these babies in. After 3-4 minutes, you're gonna look at them. Don't let them burn. You're gonna flip them around. Alright, so we're pretty much done here. Final step, tasting it. Let's see what I did here. This is my favorite part. Freaking delicious!